Hi, it's Angie, and today I'm sharing my Flower Garden Beauty bracelet with you. I had part of this design on the smaller open bangle, and since I thought it was so pretty, I decided to move it onto the new Daisy Flower Clasp, which is a full-size bracelet, and add more beautiful charms. So let's open it up and see it in more detail. One thing to note about this new bracelet is it has a much smaller clasp, which is fine, but I noticed that it has 2 threads at the end instead of 3, and the safety chain comes off really easily. You can see the difference between an older regular bracelet and the smaller daisy clasp, and it's just something that you might want to keep in mind. The Daisy Flower Clasp Snake Chain bracelet has this pretty white enamel daisy detail, and then this cute little dangling flower. And there's a clear CZ in the little dangle and a yellow CZ in the flowers on the clasp. And moving on, I also bought the matching daisy flower safety chain, and it's really cute because it's got these 2 different daisies on the chain, and the larger one has a CZ in the middle. The next charm is the Enamel Flower charm, and I have this one in pink, and it was the perfect match for the bracelet, and I love how pretty and sparkly the enamel is. It's really, really sweet. Next, I have the Radiant Droplet in Cerise for a real pop of color. And then I chose the Open Work White Daisy Flower with white enamel. And this is from the new spring release 2020. And they have beautiful white enamel flowers and these cute bees and a cute little ladybug on there. And they're so sweet and just perfect for this bracelet. I love how they look. I added a set of these pink Magnolia Flower Spacer charms, and oh, they're so beautiful with the little blush pink in the white enamel and a really pretty CZ in the center. They're just amazing because they have so much work in them, and for a spacer, I just love them. I was really lucky to find 2 of the Steady Heart clips with the Pink CZ, and they are long retired and very pretty. And these are the gorgeous Muranos I chose for this bracelet, and the reason it's named Flower Garden Beauty. And I love how there's so much depth and so much going on in these gorgeous glass beads. Next, I have these long retired silver spacers. I think they're called Eternity spacers, and they're a perfect match and beautiful to frame my centerpiece. It's the focal point of my bracelet. It's the Treasured Heart with Rhodolite, and it's long retired and so beautiful. And then I just start all over again, repeating the charms I already showed you. And I think the bracelet turned out perfectly. I'm really happy with it. And it's so bright and pretty, and I really love it.